In this quick video, I'll show you how to fade out audio in After Effects. Now, let's import a video that has audio. Drag the video into After Effects and drop it onto the New Composition button. This creates a new composition using the video settings, and the audio is already in the timeline. Select the audio layer. If you press L once, you'll see the audio levels. If you press L twice, you'll also see the waveform in the timeline. The audio level is measured in decibels. Lower values make the sound quieter, and higher values make it louder. Move the time indicator to the point where you want the fade out to start. Click the stopwatch icon next to audio levels to set a keyframe. Next, move forward in time to where you want the audio to fully fade out. Now reduce the audio level value. For a complete fade out, you can lower the audio level to around minus 48 decibels. You'll see the audio level going down, and that's how you create a smooth fade out effect in After Effects. If you're new to After Effects, I highly recommend watching my After Effects Basics tutorial for beginners. It explains compositions, layers, and keyframes, and it will help you understand this tutorial much better.